Hi everyone, so today I am going to attempt to make a pina colada. But I don't have rum, so I'm going to use vodka, and I just found out that a pina colada with vodka is called a Chi Chi. So here goes. So I'm kind of winging this recipe. It's called for fresh pineapple, but I'm using the canned pineapple. So I'm going to put one whole pineapple in, maybe 1.5, just because I want it to be a little bit more tastier. And then I'm gonna take maybe 2 spoons of the or 4 spoons of the pineapple juice that's inside. I'm gonna add 4 ounces of pineapple juice, just using a normal cartoned 100% pure pineapple juice. And it actually calls for santan, coconut, the thick coconut paste, no, what do you call it, not juice but coconut, santan lah. But I'm using, Michelle didn't want to have something thick, so I'm just using the coconut milk, right? So I'm going to put 2 ounces of this. It's still creamy, but not as creamy as santan. And then I'm gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Belvedere vodka. So 2 ounces of this. And a bit more. It's the first time trying this. I haven't tried it before. But let's see what happens. So we add in some ice cubes. Don't forget to wash your hands before you touch the ice cubes. Okay, and then we put it in your blender and we take it for a spin. After a quick spin, you can remove it from the blender. Okay, I can immediately see this is not as thick as a normal Mai Tai or Chi Chi, but it's because of the not adding in the santan. So I've taken a tall glass and you can fill it up. Got my little umbrella. Oops. And there you have it, my Chi Chi. Cheers everyone. Hey Michelle, can you do a taste test please?
So pretty.
It's called a Chi Chi. Really, it's a Chi Chi. Yeah, cheers.
Cheers.
Chi Chi.
Ooh, look at that, guys. It's a pineapple chunk there.
Honest opinion.
This is really good. It's my kind of drink. It's sweet. Are you sure there's alcohol in there?
Oh my gosh. good?
This is really, really good. I like it. It's all mine, right?
All yours.
Cheers. Chi Chi. Cheers.